Ubuntu Budgie versus Zorin OS. Which Linux distro is better for your needs? Choosing the right Linux distribution can transform your computing experience without the usual complexity. We'll compare Ubuntu Budgie and Zorin OS briefly to help you decide. Ubuntu Budgie and Zorin OS are both user-friendly Linux distributions based on Ubuntu. The core difference lies in their desktop environments. Ubuntu Budgie uses the lightweight, elegant Budgie desktop, while Zorin OS focuses on a Windows-like interface designed for easy transition. Ubuntu Budgie is an official Ubuntu flavor featuring the Budgie desktop environment, known for its simplicity and modern design. It works by combining Ubuntu's solid base with Budgie's intuitive panel, customizable widgets, and streamlined workflow. Strengths include a clean, distraction-free interface and good performance on older hardware thanks to its lightweight nature. It offers seamless integration with GNOME applications and supports a wide range of software through Ubuntu's repositories. However, it may lack some of the polish and beginner-focused features found in more mainstream distros. Ubuntu Budgie is ideal for users who want a balance between elegance and performance without overwhelming customization options. It suits those comfortable with Linux basics and looking for a visually appealing, efficient desktop that stays out of the way. Zorin OS is a Linux distribution designed specifically to ease the transition for users coming from Windows or Mac OS. It uses a customized GNOME desktop that mimics Windows layout, reducing the learning curve. Zorin OS works by layering user-friendly tools, pre-installed software, and visual themes on top of Ubuntu's stable base. Its strengths include a polished interface, built-in drivers, and utilities that simplify everyday tasks. The distro also offers a Pay Pro version with additional layouts and software. Limitations include a heavier system footprint compared to lightweight distros, which may impact performance on very old machines. Zorin OS is perfect for Linux newcomers or users seeking a familiar environment without sacrificing Ubuntu's robustness. It fits well for those who want a ready-to-use system with minimal setup and a smooth Windows-like experience. Comparing Ubuntu Budgie and Zorin OS reveals clear trade-offs. Ubuntu Budgie excels in providing a sleek, lightweight desktop suited for users who appreciate minimalism and efficiency, especially on older hardware. Zorin OS shines by offering an accessible, Windows-inspired interface that helps new Linux users feel at home quickly. If you prioritize customization and a modern look with good performance, Ubuntu Budgie is the way to go. But if ease of use, driver support, and a familiar layout are your top concerns, Zorin OS stands out. Both benefit from Ubuntu's extensive repositories and community support, but Zorin's focus on user-friendliness may come with a slightly heavier system load. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you want a lightweight, elegant desktop or a comprehensive, beginner-friendly environment. Choose Ubuntu Budgie if you want a lightweight, elegant desktop environment that balances performance and simplicity, ideal for intermediate Linux users. Opt for Zorin OS if you're new to Linux or prefer a familiar, Windows-like interface with strong out-of-the-box usability. Both distros offer solid Ubuntu foundations, so pick the one that best fits your comfort level and hardware.